Found this cottage out of time, walls of stone that climb and climb, dancing dust in morning light, echoes of some yester's plight, broken shutters, faded dreams, garden wild with hidden streams, whispers float on lavender, in this place where hearts confront. Brush in hand I paint my path, mend the cracks and build to last. Every nail and wooden beam weaves a light from a dream. Old oak table scarred by tales, glass that's fragile like the sails, faded curtains sway in grace, mark the hours night and day. Every stroke a love affair, crafted with deliberate care. History in every hue, in each room a life anew. Fireplace with living flame calls me by my given name. Rooftop where the stars convene guides me to where I've been. Coffee steam on the windowsill, you laugh, say my name in French. Little park at the edge of town, shoes off in the wet green bench. Birds song tangled in the air. Kids chase kites by the river bend. You draw hearts on my wrist in pen, like this morning might never end. It's a France spring day, and the sky feels wide. You spin in the grass, pull me to your side. Cherry blooms fall down in your hair. You say summer's coming, but I want us here on this France spring day. Everything is clear. Get crumbs on your cotton dress, strawberries from a paper bag. You point out every blooming tree, say keep this, not the photographs. Bikes leaned up by a crumbling wall, old stone, fresh paint, bright sun. You say soon it'll all be warm, I say this is my favorite one. It's a French spring day, and the sky feels wide. You spin in the grass, pull me to your side. Cherry blooms fall down in your hair. You say summer's come,